Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Happy Diwali to all. Let this Diwali give a lot of bright light and bright in life for you and your family members. Today we're talking about what all checks you should do before you buy a used car. Number 1. Check the review of the dealer where you are buying the car from, and make sure you look at the color of the car and you like the car. Don't compromise on the color. Then look at all the documents which are perfect. Number 1, the RC. The engine number, chassis number in the car and what is there in the RC should match. Another thing what you should look at is if there is any hypothecation of the finance company, make sure that you have a NOC or you see the NOC. Is there any insurance validity there? Till how long the validity is, right? And if there is LPG or CNG fitted with the car, is it endorsed in the RC? These are the documents we should look at. And then you should also look at get the vehicle test drive and see how is the suspension, how is the pickup, see if there is any abnormal sound coming from the engine or some black smoke or white smoke coming from the exhaust, and get it checked, double check with a mechanic or the showroom, wherever you want. Get it checked and then buy the car. Just don't go buy the car blindly. These are the measures and precautions to be taken while you're buying a used car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.